Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar where we will be learning how to help someone who has been punctured or impaled by an object. Puncture wounds and impaled objects pose special risks to the injured person. Puncture wounds may penetrate deeper than is apparent and injure sensitive structures such as nerves, muscles, tendons, or blood vessels. Control the bleeding from puncture wounds with direct pressure and then seek further medical attention. Puncture wounds may carry germs deep within a wound and may result in serious infections. Therefore, any serious puncture wound should be evaluated by a professional as soon as possible. Impaled objects must be left in place. It is important to understand that the object may pinch off a blood vessel, and the removal of the object may result in massive blood loss from an injured blood vessel. Stabilize impaled objects with gauze and dressings and transport the person to the emergency department. Don't forget, online CPR certification is available on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be in a classroom or on your own time with an online course. Thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We will catch you next time.